attitude today. Messing with my wife behind the camera. Gonna tell me how to run my video. But anyway, it's your boy 83 Cut It Boy. Today we got a out of water intercooler from CXRacing. About to cut it open. I've been waiting all day to show y'all this turbo kit from Pretty Well Made. I got a video on that as well. But let's open this dull blade I got. Get the box out of the way. Oh man, here we go. Man, look at this massive thing. The TIG welding on this aluminum is phenomenal. I need your assistance. I'm not sure where it's coming from. Oh, there it is. This thing here is beautiful. Massive. Cool. Got your water ports. Got the lips. They even got brackets on here that you can secure it to whatever you need to secure it to. Y'all hear my daughter in there screaming? You know, 3 inch, and then 3.5. This thing is amazing. Looks good too. Ooh. Look like it's gonna provide a good amount of cooling. But I just wanted to show y'all what I had got today in the mail. You know, I know I'm not saying too much on this, but I guess my wife trying to tell me in the background, tell you the price. This thing right here is like $418 out of water intercooler for a twin turbo setup. But if you just got a regular turbo setup, you can get you know, a single air to air or out of water intercooler, just depending on how you want to do your setup. Honestly, flipping it over so that you can see it more, you know, it looked like it's, you know, it got two halves that they welded together, and then in the middle, I don't know if you can see that, but it's massive. Something rattling around in there. Oh, I see it. A little piece of weld. I get it out. There we go. Get that up. I don't want babies in here eating this shit. But if y'all like the video, you know, subscribe. If you got any questions about the intercooler itself, like the dimensions and stuff, just comment down below and I'll get back to you on that. But that's all for now. Stay tuned.